Good morning to one and all. Today, we, the students of class 10th D, are presenting a presentation on coal and petroleum, a correlation to Andhra Pradesh. It is presented as our English project work. Hope you like it. Coal and petroleum, a correlation to Andhra Pradesh. Andhra Pradesh is situated on the east coast of India. It is famous for its natural resources. The resources and the regions where they are found are given below. Coal is found in Jharia, Bokaro, Chandrapur regions of Andhra Pradesh. Petroleum is found in Digboil, etc., where the production is not enough. Natural gas is found in Krishna and Kaveri River, basins of Andhra Pradesh. The quality solely depends on the batches it's produced, but the coal fields are of Gondwana types. Coal is a combustible black sedimentary rock with a high amount of carbon and hydrocarbons. Coal is classified as non-renewable energy source because it takes millions of years to form. The resulting pressure and heat turned the plants into substance we know as coal. Petroleum, also called crude oil, is a fossil fuel. Like coal and natural gas, petroleum was formed from the remains of ancient marine organisms such as plants, algae, and bacteria. Coal, natural gas, and petroleum are all fossil fuels that formed under similar conditions.
The formation of coal occurs over millions of years via a process known as carbonation. In this process, dead vegetation is converted into carbon-rich coal under very high temperature and pressure. Coal is composed of carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, sulfur, moisture, and incombustible mineral matter, that is ash. When coal is burnt, the carbon fluorinated gases are not formed by coal combustion. Coals are formed from the accumulation of vegetable debris in specialized environments. Obtaining coal from the mines is a difficult job. First, the dirt above the coal deposit is removed. When the coal is exposed, explosives are used to break it into smaller pieces. The coal thus collected is loaded into wagons and lifted to the surface. The mines enter and leave the mine by an elevator through a vertical space called the shaft. Coal mines can easily catch fire, and it is very difficult to bring the fire under control. Coal takes millions of years to form. Millions of years ago, there were places on earth with dense forests in wetlands due to natural disasters such as floods, tsunami, landslides, etc. Over the years, over these forests, more and more soil was compiling. These trees were protected by oxidation from biodegradation, usually via mud or acidic water. This traps the carbon in the sediments that were buried. Carbonization happens. Carbonization is a phase in which vegetation becomes carbon. It is a slow process. Petroleum is a fossil fuel that naturally occurs in the liquid form created by the decomposition of organic matter beneath the surface of the earth millions of years ago. These fossil fuels are then refined into usable substances such as petrol, kerosene, etc. It is formed by combination of hydrocarbons and other substances, mainly sulfur. When first collected in its natural form, it is termed as crude oil. This substance is generally characterized by a brownish black color, although it can also differ between red to pale yellow or even colorless. Its thickness, viscosity varies from nearly solid tar-like consistency to low viscosity, almost like water.
Uses of coal. It is used to produce electricity and in homes. It is used as fuel to cook. It is used to make coke and coal gas. The most significant uses of coal are in electricity generation, steel production, cement manufacturing, and as a liquid. Uses of petroleum. It is used in transportation, heating and lighting, lubricants, industrial power, uses in byproducts, and also in petrochemical industries. For day-to-day life, petroleum products include transportation, fuels, fuel oils for heating and electricity generation, asphalt and road oil, and feedstocks for making chemicals, plastics, and synthetic materials that are in nearly everything we use.
Coal and Andhra Pradesh. The state government, coal mines from where it is procuring coal, had decided to explore the possibilities of buying coal from central coal fields like the Tamil Nadu Electricity Board. A day after writing letters to the Telangana government to increase coal supply to overcome power shortage in the state and also to the Union Coal Ministry, the AP government officials held talks with the officials of the Coal Ministry in New Delhi on Monday. Accordingly, it was decided that the Coal India officials will be meeting AP Genco officials and railways at Kolkata the next day. Similarly, the interministerial meetings scheduled with the Ministry of Coal, Railways, Power, and Coal India Limited with AP Genco officials to tide over the present situation will be held in Delhi on Thursday. It is proposed to explore the possibilities of buying surplus coal available in the mines of Odisha Genco. AP Genco will also identify private power companies such as Jindal Power in Odisha and buy coal from such companies through the clause that allows private firms to sell 25% of its production in the open market through Coal India. Petroleum and Andhra Pradesh. Krishna Godavari Basin is a very cratonic, passive margin basin in India. It is spread across more than 50,000 square kilometers in Krishna River and Godavari River basins in Andhra Pradesh. The site is known for the D6 block where Reliance Industries discovered the biggest natural gas reserves in India in 2003. The first gas discovery in the basin was in 1983 in Razole Well No. 1 when ONGC had a small office in Rajamundry and Narsapur. Since that discovery, Reliance and others have joined the exploration effort. A gas discovery by ONGC in June 2009, which an anonymous company official said, could have an estimated 10 trillion cubic feet.
Initiative. Distribution of 79.2 lakh LED bulbs to 39.6 lakh consumers in 5 districts of Srikakulam, Viziangaram, Vishakhapatnam, East Godavari and West Godavari helped us save energy up to 644.1 MU from February 2015 to November 2016. This apart, the DISCOM saved nearly 0.88 MU by distributing 38,730 5-star rated fans to its consumers in Narsapuram and West Godavari district on a pilot basis. By installing 1,93,540 LED street lights in 5 districts, the DISCOM saved 25.35 MU of power in a year, Nayak said, adding that the DISCOM was still continuing to incur only 5.48% transmission and distribution losses, which is the best in the country. The Union Ministry of Power, Coal, New and Renewable Energy Mines announced the results at the National Level Energy Conservation Day celebrations held in New Delhi on Wednesday. APEPDCL CMD MM Nayak received the prize from Union Minister of Power Piyush Goyal. Conclusion. Andhra Pradesh is situated on the east coast of India. It is famous for its natural resources. Coal is found in Jharia, Bokaro, and Chandrapur regions of Andhra Pradesh. Petroleum is found in Digboi, etc., where the production is not enough. Natural gas is found in Krishna and Kaveri river basins of Andhra Pradesh. Thank you and have a nice day.